thick, so sweet. Crack, 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 what's hiding in the back? Crack, 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 tap the shell and step back. Crack, 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 little beaks and tiny tracks. Colorful eggs go crack, 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 crack. Ooh, yeah. Yellow egg goes bumpity boo, splits in the middle, opens in two. Splashy feet and a happy quack, baby duck waddles out the crack. Green egg rocking on the floor, slow soft sound, then a little more. Peekaboo head, so shy, so small, baby turtle waves to all. Blue egg, biggest of them all, shakes so much it starts to fall. Stomp, 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 hear that roar, baby dinosaur on the floor.